Hello, students. Jayashree Miss. Now I am going to teach the 8th standard maths 1C exercise. First question is evaluate. First one question is minus 14 upon 5 into minus 6 upon 7. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So 2 to 6 are 12. Minus minus plus and 5 ones are 5. And it is an improper fraction. So convert into mixed fraction. 5 twos are 10 plus 2 12. Now second question. 7 upon 6 multiplied by minus 18 upon 91. Now here 91 that is comes in a 7th table. 7 ones are 7 13s are. Now 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are 18. Yes. 6 ones are 6 6 3 6 threes are 18. The answer is minus so minus 3 upon 13 is the answer. Now third one, minus 125 upon 72 multiplied by 9 upon minus 5. Now 9 ones are 9 eights are cutting, 5 ones are, and here the 5 25s are. Then the answer is here minus 25 upon 8. Then the answer is 8. 8 is a 24. 1 minus. Understood everyone? Huh? Do you have any doubts? Then you can ask me in the WhatsApp, right? Now third one. This is the 3 sums now done. Now I am doing the 4th sum. Fourth sum, minus 11 upon 9 into minus 51 upon minus 44. First of all you do the cutting, right? 11 ones are, 11 fours are, right? Now this 51 it comes in the table of 3, right? So 17 threes are 51, 3 threes are, right? So the answer is 17 minus minus plus, right? And upon 4 threes are 12, and here is also minus, yes. This is the answer, minus 17 upon 12. Fifth sum, minus 16 upon 5 multiplied by 20 upon 8. So again same, 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 fours are. The answer is 4 twos are 8, minus 8 is the answer, right? So this is the first question. We completed the first question. Now move on to second question. Now now question number 2, right? First one, multiply. Now first one is multiply 5 upon 6 multiply by 8 upon 9. Then first of all do the cutting. So this one is the 4 twos are and 3 twos are, right? So the answer is 20 upon 27 is the answer. And it is a proper fraction, so no need to convert into the mixed fraction. Now second question, 2 upon 7 multiply by minus 14 upon 9, right? These 7 ones are, 7 twos are 14, then 2 twos are 4 and minus sign upon 9 ones are 9. Number 3, minus 7 upon 8 into 4, 4 ones are, 4 twos are, so minus 7 upon 2 is the answer. Now fourth one, 36 upon minus 7 multiply by minus 9 upon 28. So here you have to cut down. There is a cutting of this one. 14 twos are, 7 fours are, 9 fours are, right? Then here is the answer is 81. 9 9 is 81 upon 49, and this is minus minus to plus. There is No need of sign, no any negative sign, right? Now it is a improper fraction, so convert it into the 49. Ones are 49. Now it is a 32. Is the answer. Now fourth sum, we completed the fourth sum. Now fifth sum. Now fifth sum, minus 7 upon 10 multiplication, minus 8 upon 15, right? So here 4 twos are 5 twos are. Then answer is 7 fours are 28, 15 fives are 75, and here minus minus plus, so it is converted to positive side, no null side. Now sixth sum. Sixth sum, 3 upon minus 2 multiply by minus 7 upon 3. Now 3 cut, minus minus plus, the answer is 7 upon 2. Then is mixed fraction, 2 3s are 6, 1. This is completed second question. Now move on to third question, that is evaluate. Then for the evaluation, first 1C. Now third question, evaluate, right? Evaluate. First question, 2 upon minus 3 multiply by 5 upon 4 plus 5 upon 9 multiply by 3 upon minus 10, right? Minus 10. So according to BODMAS, you know the BODMAS. BODMAS is bracket, then of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now here, first we have to solve this bracket and this bracket. After this bracket, multiply first and then you add. Now first we will solve this bracket, right? So this 2 ones are 2 twos are. So here is 5 upon 6 minus sign, 3 twos are 6. Now here plus sign, this one. Now you have to this do cutting 3 ones are 3 threes are. So here is 5 upon minus 30. 3 tens are 30 or minus sign. Now here the plus minus it will convert into minus sign. So minus 5 upon 6 minus 5 upon 30. Plus minus minus. Minus 5 upon 30. Again this one is also cutting down 5 twos are. So it will turn into 1 upon 6, right? Now this denominator is equal, so there is no need of LCM, right? So here minus 1, minus 5, minus 1 upon 6, minus minus plus. So minus 6 upon 6 is equal to minus 1 is the answer. This is the first one. Now second sum. Second 2 multiply by 1 upon 4 and minus 18 upon 7 multiply by minus 7 upon 15, right? So first of all solve this bracket, then solve this bracket. First is 2 ones are 2 twos are. This is 1 upon 2 minus sign. This is minus minus plus, right? 7 you cut it down, right? Now here it both come in a table of 3. 6 threes are and 5 threes are. So 6 upon 5. Now LCM of 5 and 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10, right? So here 1 upon 2 into 5 and 6 upon 5 into 2 into 2, right? Then it will 5 upon 10 minus 12 upon 10. So 5 minus 12 upon 10 is equal to minus 7 upon 10 is the answer. So minus 7 upon 10. This is second sum. Now third sum minus 5 into 2 upon 15 minus 6 into 2 upon 9. Again cutting down, 5 ones are 5 threes are 2 threes are 3 threes are, right? So here 2 ones are 2, minus 2 upon 3. Here minus getting plus, and 2 twos are 4 upon 3, right? So here minus 2 plus 4 upon 3, it is 2 upon 3 is the answer. Third question. Third sum. Third. Now question number 3, fourth sum. Fourth sum, question number 3, fourth. 8 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 2 plus minus 3 upon 10 into 9 upon 60. Now first of all solve the bracket. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 threes are 12, minus 12 upon 5. Now here also you can solve, there is no any common factor, right? So 9 threes are 27 and 10 16s are 160, right? Now this plus minus it will turn into negative sign, minus 27 upon 160. Now LCM of 5 and 160 is 160 LCM, right? So the minus 12 upon 5 into 5, 32 multiplied by 32, then minus 27 upon 160 into 1 into 1. So you will get minus 384 minus 27 upon 160. The answer is minus 411 upon 160. This is the answer. Fourth sum. So we completed the third question, 1C third question. Now move on to fourth question. Fourth one. Multiply each of the rational number given below by 1. It is very easy. Now first one is here, multiply with 1. So 7 upon minus 5 into 1. So same answer, 7 upon minus 5. Same answer. Now minus 3 upon minus 4, and that is 1 is equal to minus plus, then it is 3 upon 4. Third one. 0 into 1, always 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is always 0, right? Then minus 8 upon 13 multiplied by 1, same answer, minus 8 upon 13. Same answer, it's very easy. Minus 6 upon minus 7, minus getting plus, so multiply by 1, that is equal to 6 upon 7 is the answer. Then we completed the fourth question. If you have any doubts regarding the exercise, you can ask me in the WhatsApp, right? Now, fifth. For each of the rational number given below, verify their multiplication is a commutative. Now, in a previous exercise, I have told you what is commutative property, what is distributive property, right? Now, in a commutative property, we have to reverse the digits. First of all, that A upon B into C upon D is equal to AC upon BD, right? Now we have to reverse these digits. So first you write C upon D into A upon B equal to same. Both answer will be the same. Now first of all we have to verify this commutative. This is the commutative property. Commutative property. Chalo, first of all, first sum, fifth one first. Minus 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 9. Now we have to prove that whether verify we have to multiplication is commutative or not. So first of all, minus 1 upon 5 into 2 upon 9. So 2 ones are 2 and 45, 9 5s are minus. Now we have to reverse the digits. Now write 2 upon 9 first and then minus 1 upon 5. So again the same answer, right? So yes, they are commutative. You have to write the multiplication is commutative. Understood, students? So you have to multiply first number, second number, then 2 upon minus 45, right? Now reverse the digits. Second number write first and then first number. Reverse this is the commutative property. Now fifth, second sum. Now 5 upon minus 3 and 13 upon minus 11. Then you have to write it down. 13 5 is 65 upon 11 is 33 and minus getting plus. Now write second number first. 5 upon minus 3. Again same 65 upon 33. This is commutative. Third sum. 3 multiply by minus 8 upon 9. Right? So 3 ones are 3 threes are. The answer is minus 8 upon 3. Right? Now reverse the digits. Minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 1. Cutting the digits. The answer minus 8 upon 3. So this is the third sum. Now fourth. Fourth sum. 0 into minus 12 upon 17 is always 0. And 12 upon minus 17 into 0 is always 0. Right? Now, question number 6. Question 6. First, write the reciprocal multiplicative inverse of each of the rational number given below. Now, multiplicative inverse. So, you know the reciprocal. We have to interchange the digits. Denominator and numerator. You have to interchange. First of all, 5. Now, if it is 5 number, then its denominator is always 1. What is the reciprocal? Its reciprocal is 1 upon 5. Second, minus 3. So, it is minus 1 upon 3. Next, third one, 5 upon 11. So, it is 11 upon 5 and converted to mixed fraction, 5 2s are 10, 1. Fourth, minus 8 upon minus 7, right? So here the answer is 8 upon 7. This is reverse 7 upon 8. Now, it is fifth one, sorry, by mistake. Now it is fourth one. Minus 7 upon minus 8. So 7 upon 8 is reciprocal is 8 upon 7. Converting to mixed fraction, 7 is 7, 7. Now sixth sum. 15 upon minus 17. So this is reciprocal is minus 17 upon 15 is the answer. Right? 6 done. Next. Now seventh one. Find the reciprocal multiplicative inverse of this. So, seventh question you have to first solve the sum and then whatever the answer will come, you have to convert into the mixed fraction. Reciprocal, sorry. So, first one is here. 3 upon 5 multiplication 2 upon 3. Right? So, cut down. So, answer is 2 upon 5. Now, the reciprocal of 2 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 2. Convert into mixed fraction, 2 2s are 4, 1. Second sum, minus 8 upon 3 into 13 upon minus 7. Now there is no any cutting, no any common factor is there. So 13 8 is 104 upon 3 7 is 21, and minus minus getting plus. Now the reciprocal is 104 upon 21 is equal to 21 upon 104. Third one, minus 3 upon 5 multiply by minus 1 upon 13, then is minus minus plus, to 3 upon 65, 13 5 is 65. Now the reciprocal of 3 upon 65 is equal to 65 upon 3. 3 4s are 21 3s are 63 2 is the answer. 7th question completed. Now move on to 8th question. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Next, 8th question. Now you have to verify x plus y into z is equal to x into z plus y into z. This is the distributive property because we have distributed x and y and z. Next, first question we have verified x is equal to 4 upon 5, y equal to minus 2 upon 3, and z is equal to minus 4. So first of all, left hand side we have to push LHS, right? So x plus y into z, this one. So x plus y 4 upon 5 plus minus 2 upon 3 into minus 4. So 4 upon 5 plus minus minus 2 upon 3 into minus 4. Reciprocal of 5 and 3 is 15, right? 15 multiply by 3 and multiply by 5. 3 4s are 12, 5 2s are 10. Minus 2 upon 3 and yes. Now this is the answer is 12 minus 10 એટલે 2 upon 15. And multiply by minus 4, then it is a minus 8 upon 15. This side completed. Now next, RHS. X multiplied by z is equal to plus y multiplied by z. X value 4 upon 5 into z minus 4. Y value minus 2 upon 3 into minus 4. So minus 20 upon 5, minus minus plus and plus minus minus, 4 to the 8 upon 3. 4 4s are 16, sorry. Minus 16 and minus minus plus, minus 2 upon 3 minus. Minus, yes. 12 minus 2 upon 5 into this. Yeah. Now here is the 16. LCM is here 15. 15. 3 and here 5. Minus 48. 5 is a 40. Minus 88 upon 15 into minus 4. Then the answer is yes, it is a plus sign, sorry. Then it is a 5, the answer is 8 upon 15 minus 8 upon 15. Yes, the this minus minus plus, and here the plus sign will come, right? And minus plus minus 48 minus 48 minus 8 upon 15. So these both answers are verified. So LHS is equal to RHS, right? Second. Now second one is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 upon 5, and z is equal to 3 upon minus 10, right? First x plus y into z, right? So x value 2 plus 4 upon 5 into 3 upon minus 10. So LCM is 5, 10 plus 4 into 3 upon minus 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 upon 5 into 3 upon minus 10. Then cutting 7 to the 5 to the, so 21 upon 25 minus, right? This is the LHS. Now you have to prove this. X multiplied by z plus y into z. Value of x is 2 into 3 upon minus 10. Value of y is 4 upon 5 and z value 3 upon minus 10. Now cutting down 5. 2 2s are 2 5s are, right? So this is a 3 upon minus 3 upon 5 plus 2 3s are 6 upon 25. 6 upon 25. And this is the minus value, here the minus, so this plus minus it will come 3 upon 5 minus 6 upon 25. Now LCM is here 25, then it will come here minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 upon 25. Both LHS and RHS equal. Now 8th question is completed. Now move on to 9th question. Ninth sum. Verify first of all x multiplied by y minus z is equal to x into y minus x into z. First of all, previously we have done for the addition, distributive property over addition. Now this is a distributive property over subtraction. First one, x is equal to 4 upon 5, y is equal to minus 7 upon 4 and z is equal to 3. First, x is equal to y minus z. So what is the value of x? 5 upon 5. Value of y minus 7 upon 4 minus z value is 3, right? The value of z is 3. Now 4 upon 5 multiply by, this is LCM is here 4 LCM, minus 7 multiply by 1 multiply by 4, 4 3s are 12. 4 upon 5, minus minus always addition and put minus sign in the answer. Then that's 12 plus 7, 19 upon 4, 4 4 you have to cut down. The answer is minus 19 upon 5. This is the left hand side we have proved. Now right hand side, x into y minus x into z. The value of x is 4 upon 5 into minus 7 upon 4, 4 upon 5 into 3. Cutting down 4 4, then minus 7 upon 5 minus 4 3s are 12 upon 5. Then minus 7 minus 12 upon 5, answer is minus 19 upon 5. So hence both answer is verified, both are equal, verified for that. So 9th first question we have done, now 9th second question, sub question second. Second question. Now x is equal to 3 upon 4, y is equal to 4 upon 5 and z is equal to 3 upon minus 10. So read down question. X is equal to 3 upon 4, y is equal to 8 upon 9 and z is equal to minus 5. So first is x into y minus z. So value of x is 3 upon 4, value of y 8 upon 9 minus 5. Right? Now this minus will come plus. So 8 upon 9 plus 5. Now 3 upon 4 into, now LCM is 9, multiply your 1, multiply by 9. 9, 8 1s are 8, plus 9 5s are 45 upon 9. So 3 upon 4 into 45 plus 8, 53 upon 9, cutting 3 1s are 3 3s are 53 upon 12 is the answer. Now LHS we have done, now we have to do the RHS. Right hand side, x into z. The value of x is 3 upon 4 into 8 upon 9, 3 upon 4 into minus 5. Now 3 1s are 3 3s are, so 8 upon 12. Right? Now is minus plus, 5 3s are 15 upon 4. Now LCM of 12 and 4 is, LCM is 12. So multiply 8 plus 3 15, 3 5s are 45, 15 3s are 45, then is 53 upon 12 is the answer both. This is verified for the commutative property over subtraction. 9th question is completed. Now the 10th question. 10th question 1C exercise. Yes. Name the multiplication property of rational numbers shown below. Now first question you will see in the question textbook, 3 upon 5 into minus 1 upon 8 upon 9 and minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 into minus 8 upon 9 is equal to minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 5. Now this is the reverse property. So as I told earlier, then when there is reversal of digits, then it is a commutative property. So the answer is commutativity. Commutativity. Stand first. Now 10th second question. Minus 3 upon 4 into 5 upon 7 into minus 8 upon 15 minus 3 upon 4 into 5 upon 7 into minus 8 upon 15. Now here these three different numbers, this and this, in which second and third number they are put in brackets. Now here also same three numbers, this and this, but here first and second numbers are put in the bracket. So this type of property, when there is three numbers and three numbers are arranged in a brackets in different order, then this is the associativity. Which property? Associativity. Now third one. 4 upon 5 multiply by 3 upon minus 8 plus minus 4 upon 7, right? Now here 4 upon 5 into 3 upon minus 8 plus 4 upon 5 into minus 4 upon 7. Now here one number and these two numbers, and this one number is multiplied with this and this, distributed over this and this. So this type of property is called distributivity. Distributivity. Third one. Commutativity, associativity, distributivity. Now then fourth question. Now minus 7 upon 5 into 5 upon minus 7 is equal to 1. Whenever there is a multiplication of multiplied inverse reciprocal, always the answer is 1. So this type of property is called existence of inverse. This is called existence of inverse. Now fifth problem, 8 upon minus 9 multiplied by 1. 1 into 8 upon minus 9 is equal to 8 upon minus 9. Whenever the number is multiplied with 1, always the answer is number itself. This type of property is called existence of identity. This is called existence of identity. Done? Now 10th question is completed. Now move on to 11th question. 11th first, let's fill in the blanks first. The product of two positive numbers. Now you know, product of always these two positive numbers, always the answer is what? Positive. The first answer is two positive number multiplication is positive. Second question. The product of two negative numbers, one negative, another negative product, always positive. Which one? Second question. Third. If the two rational numbers have opposite signs, then their product is always. Now this one is negative and the other is positive. The answer is always negative. Fourth one. The reciprocal of the positive rational number and the reciprocal of the negative rational number is dash. The reciprocal of positive rational number is always positive. First we will fill in the blanks is positive. And the reciprocal of negative rational number is always negative. Now fifth one. Rational number 0, it has less reciprocal, no reciprocal. Sixth. The product of rational number and its reciprocal, rational number and its reciprocal is what? Always 1. Next. Seventh one. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. First number 1 and minus 1. 8. If n is a reciprocal of n, then the reciprocal of n is m. Done. Completed the fun C exercise. Thank you all of the students. Thanks to you. Bye.